Okay, this is the Thrunite TiHi. It's made from a titanium alloy. It came in a box that was marked basically as like a Christmas present gift, a metal box, a nice little metal box. With spare O-ring in there. Now this has only got one O-ring seal up here. It's a twist-on head. You see I've got it on my keychain here. So it's really EDC kind of torch. It's smaller than the previous Thrunite torch I reviewed, the TiHi. And as I said, this is actually made from a titanium alloy. It's smaller in length, and it's got a good belt clip on it here too, or a pocket clip. Not only is it smaller in length, it's also just as bright, really. It has the same mode. It's got a flashing mode on there. It has a low, almost starlight mode on this. The first twist that you turn on, that mode will come on. Right, that is the Thrunite TiHi, the titanium alloy, and it is now 2 meters below the surface. We'll leave it there for a minute. You can still see it's still operating perfectly at 2 meters.